This is Zora. She loves her pawpaw. She likes to ride on me when I do sit-ups. You want to get on my back while I do some sit-ups or some push-ups?
So after you change clothes.
Sit up here for everybody to see. Sit up here for everybody to see. Say, hey everybody, I'm Zozo. I'm Zozo.
Zoe, Zora.
Zoe, Zozo.
And what do you call her? Zorro?
Zebra.
Zero.
And Zorro.
Zero.
Zorro.
Zero, Zorro, Zoe, Zora,
Zoe, yeah.
sweet girl, big girl,
He's a big girl.
baby girl. That's Lulu. Lulu's got a non-regulation small head, and Zora's got a non-regulation big head. So there's quite disparaging size difference in their heads. We call Lulu Peanut Head. Peanut Head. And Zora. Can you say hi to Philip? Can you say hi to
You want
Philip?
some pet?
Rick thinks she looks like Petey from the Little Rascals with her black eye.
You want me to pet you some more? Okay.
Does it matter what I tell you? You people always assume the worst, and now my parents are going to jail.
She loves her tummy tickled. Can you tell there's some loving going on here? She loves to lick his ears.
Okay.
All right. You want to play with Bradley? You gonna fall apart? Okay. Zoe, you going to pop?
Rue will. Rue will come with me? Rick.
Come on. Let's go pop. Come on. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye. Go bye-bye with Pop. All right. Well, I guess not. Okay, he's going to be back in a minute. He'll be back in a minute. Okay? Come on. Come on, big girl. Come on. Hey, Radley. Hey, Radley.